The birth of modern Warin Chamrap, district establishment and the power of the railway. Firm establishment of the district. 1908, or 2451 Buddhist era. Amphoe Thaksina Ubon was established, with its district office located on the Mueang Ubon side. 1913, or 2456 Buddhist era. A turning point. Khun Phum Phiphat Khet, the second district chief, relocated the Thaksina Ubon district office across the Mun River to Kham Nam Saep in Tambon That. It was renamed Amphoe Warin Chamrap, now Amphoe Warin Chamrap, reviving its historic name. Kham Nam Saep means a village with delicious spring water, aligning with Warin Chamrap's meaning. The railway arrived, Warin changed. April 1st, 1930, or 2473 Buddhist era. Warin Railway Station, now Ubon Ratchathani Station, opened. The railway's arrival truly revolutionized Warin Chamrap's economy and society. Trade hub. It became a gateway for goods from Bangkok to the region and for local rice to external markets. Urban growth. Attracted people, especially Chinese settlers, for trade, creating a bustling commercial district. From a riverside community to a hub of transportation and commerce.